Hi, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So we're gonna react to The Show Must Go On by Dimash Kudaibergian. So to all the Kazakhstanians out there, blessings, love to everyone. Love you all so much. You guys are very supportive when it comes down to Dimash. The support is just lovely. Alright, so Dimash has given us this track just a couple days ago, and I'm just getting a chance to listen what's up because, to be frank with everyone, it's been a while since I've stopped by Dimash's place to hear what's going on with him. So now I'll be listening what's been taking place for Dimash. So with this being said, let's all venture together.
Empty spaces, what are we living for? Abandoned places, I guess we know the score. On and on, does anybody know what we are looking for? Another hero, another mind described behind the curtains. In the pantomime, hold the line. Does anybody want to take it anymore? Show must go on. Show must go on.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Dimash is such a mastery. Dimash is too good to be a human, right? He's out of this darn world, bro. His voice is just unmatched, quite outstanding. Dimash is undefeated.
Inside my heart is breaking. My makeup may be flaking, but my smile still stays on. Whatever happens, I leave it all to chase. Another courage, another failed romance. On and on. Does anybody know what we are looking for? Another hero, another mind described behind the curtain. In the pantomime, hold the line. Does anybody want to take it anymore? Show must go on. Show must go on. Inside my heart is breaking. My God.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, ah! Rep! No way, yo, no way. Bro, it's tougher than ever, bro. He's tougher than ever. This man never misses a beat. Never misses. Every time Dimash comes to give us a performance, bro, it's demolished. He nailed it. He killed it. Oh! Hey! Wow, Dimash. Wow. You are the man, G. You are the man, man. You are the man, bro. Dimash, kill this. Wow.
Maybe plaguing, but my smile still stays on. My soul is painted like the
the violinists, they are amazing. You know, the perfect cue for Dimash's voice because the violinists, the music is such a purification, bro. It gives you a calm minded spirit. Like, this is what music should sound like, right? The level of what beauty that is coming from this music. Every music in that section of Dimash's music should sound like this, bro. Dimash is a master at his work. He never seems to give us a failure. He never fail, bro. Like, this man is too out of this world. He's not from Earth. He's a freaking angel, bro. At this point, we should call him as the angel of vocals, bro. Damn, you don't say.
Days of yesterday, recall but never die. I get there, my God. Yeah, yeah, show must go on. You thought that the regret, I am never giving in. Got it You thought that the regret, I am never giving in. Got it
Yo, goosebumps, bro. Goosebumps. Chills, bro. Chills. Oh my days, yo. Dimash is too good. The level that this man is on is unmatched, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Thank you very much.
Splendid. Absolutely splendid. Dimash has done a great job today. Too good, bro. Too good. Well done, Dimash. You've done yourself an awesome job. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to, subscribe for more Dimash. Leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend. At least share this to Dimash so he could see that, hey, a Jamaican person really admire his voice and also his work that he's been putting out. Okay, so I'll see you guys in another Dimash reaction, bro. Peace.